Alrighty. Alrighty. That's stabilization, huh? Okay. Here we go. I'm back to it. Let's look at it. First off, I need to go pull. Y'all wanna go or what? I don't know. But right here, hold on. Alright. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 more right there. 7, 8, 9, 10. But I might my intent just changed on these videos, by the way. My intent just changed to I'm finna try to put this video out ASAP. Like I got so many that I ain't put out. So we not just shooting this for nothing. So we finna put these out ASAP. And there's an opportunity there since I'm coming so recent. I don't know if it's every day, but like consistent. I just heard on the news it was like a earthquake. I was like, man. I mean, it's a sad story, but they're talking about like, okay, so we can look at this. We can look at this one and see how the story progressed. It just dropped the news, and they say 1,350 confirmed dead. So we'll see if that number changes. But it was an earthquake in Turkey or something, somewhere. It looked real bad. So yeah, I had to say that because I just saw it. That's how my day starting. Today is Monday. Is it Monday? Yeah, today Monday. And I guess let me show you these 6 that sold. These 6 sold yesterday. I printed them off last night, and I need to print out 4 more. But anyway, what's up? Proactive. Bam. This going to Meadville, Pennsylvania. Gotta put liquids in a bag before you ship them. Can't just ship liquids. Next, we got this power supply. It's going to Brenningsville, Pennsylvania. Man, Vic J bought this one. Shouts out to Vic J. Chris got this up in Aurora, Colorado. This Sony plug. Shouts out to Chris, of course. Wayne there, Tammy got this in West Virginia. West Virginia pulling through. Shouts out, Tammy. This is going to Wilmington, Delaware. I got this on 50-cent day. It sold for cheap, but I still made like $2, $3 from 50 cents to $2 or $3. It's gonna be easy to ship. This sold is going to Wilmington. No. This is going to Duluth, Minnesota. Shouts out to Sean. What did it say? Oh, got some on the thingamajig. One of these going to Tampa, Florida. One of them going to Tampa, Florida, and one going to Indianapolis, Indiana. And shouts out to Robert and Veronica. I don't know who getting what. I do know. Veronica got that. Shouts out to Robert on that. Alright, y'all. So we about to head, pull these orders right quick. See how quick I can do it. I'll be back. Here's an update. $12. And I pulled the stuff. It's 4 more things. Two. Now, let's ship it. Let's ship it real quick, real fast. Real fast in a jiffy. About to ship it. And I'll check back with you. Cause you don't want to see me ship. I already see that from the other video. I mean, you don't want to see me pack. But alright. Let's get to it. Alright, here's the update. See the update? Here's the update. There you go. There you go. Now, we done with that. That took, on my phone that. See how long that took. Man, that took an hour. But it's all good. Now, we are gonna clean up and pull the things we're gonna pull. I'm multitasking. Bear with me as you may. Nah, I'm gonna pull the next 20 things that's gonna get a picture. That's my next job to do today. I'm gonna pull 20 things, from the death pile here. I'm gonna pull 20 and we're gonna get pictures. Pictures of 20. A nice dub. But in the meantime, I'm finna check in and see what's up on that Xbox Live right quick. You know what I'm saying? We finna probably bust some heads with the Deuce Mac if he at home today. But alright, that's what's going on in my neck of the woods. How the weather? The weather, it looked a little gloomy today. I'm gonna tag it with weather, so I gotta say some weather. Yeah, it's a little gloomy with a bit shiny, and it's a bit cold. It's a bit nippy out there. So be sure to get your jacket. And yeah, that's it. That's it. Here we go. Check ya. Peace out. See you next time. Whatever. All that. But alright.